Snap's third-generation spectacles are the company's most advanced ones yet. The new device has a more stylish design, a better fit, and a second camera that captures depth information when you take pictures or record videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox this smart glass and see what's in the box. Wow, it's an elegant Spectacle 3 with charging case, charging cable, 3D viewer, and cleaning cloth. You can wear Spectacles 3 more easily because their classic design looks like conventional sunglasses. There are two cameras built into the Spectacles 3. The cameras take photos at a resolution of 1728 by 1729 pixels in 3D, and videos are recorded at 60 frames per second. It weighs about 2.23 pounds. There are two colors of metal frames on the third-generation Spectacles, carbon black and mineral. Spectacles 3 can capture immersive, high-fidelity audio with two cameras and let you experience the world in 3D. There are many more features of the Echo frames too, and we've outlined some of its highlights here. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. Overall, the audio capture is adequate, and the inclusion of two mics helps to give better overall footage. Snapchat now allows you to export your finest content in a variety of forms, including circular, horizontal, square, and virtual reality. The Spectacles 3's two-camera configuration allows users to generate AR material in a format called 3D snaps. In a nutshell, considering battery life, picture quality, value for money, easy to use, the score is 6.9 out of 10. The longtime users' experiences and comments posted on different e-commerce websites indicate that consumers are pleased with the Spectacles 3's excellent build quality, good video and audio quality, and fun 3D lenses. Meanwhile, the user finds that it is unsuitable for low-light use. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.